morning. Welcome back to English class. It's May 8th today, the Parents' Day. Did you say thank you for raising us to your parents? And don't forget to say congratulations and stay healthy. Okay, we are in chapter 2. I'm in the kitchen. This chapter is to learn how to give question when you want to know where's our people, and asking help for our friends, parents, or teachers. Today's lesson, section 2. We practice speaking of key expression. Watch the story in the textbook and then practice the dialogue at the context. But before we go, let's start with some reviews with drill. Let's review the vocabulary. Repeat after me only one time. Where? In. Room. Bedroom. Living room. Kitchen. Sleep. Clean. Help. Lunch. Cook. Cake. Sure. Good job. Now let's drill the key expressions. I'm going to show you pictures with question like where are you, where is she, or where is he, or where are they. Then you need to answer I'm in the blah blah blah, or she's in the blah blah blah, they're in the blah blah blah. Let's try. Where are you? Yes, I'm in the bedroom, or we're in the bedroom. Next. Where is your sister? She is in the kitchen. Number 3. Where is your father? He is in the living room. Next. Where is your brother? He is in the club. Where are the superheroes? They are in the park. Okay, where is Dr. Strange? He's in the doctor's office. Number 7. Where is Nick Fury? He's in the museum. Next, number 8. Where is Elsa? She is in the beach. Number 9. Where is Hulk? He's in the bathroom. Number 10. Where is Thanos? That's right. He's in Ganam Elementary School. Good job. Now let's go to your textbook, page 22 and 23. Now we are in page 22 and 23. You can see 3 pictures on the left page. What do you see in the picture? In the picture number 1, what do you think they are talking? In the picture number 2, what do you think they are doing? And number 3 picture, how do you think they are feeling? Do they look angry? Do they look so tired? Or do they look so happy? Let's find out.
Listen and say.
Let's clean our room.
Okay.
Can you help me, please?
Sure. I can help you too.
Thank you.
You're great. Where are you, Hoan? I'm in the bathroom.
Time for lunch. Juan, can you help me, please?
Sure.
Great! You are a good cook.
We are one good family.
Okay, what did you hear in the story? I'm going to give you some questions. Number 1. When Juan wants to ask for help, what does he say? Yes, right. Can you help me, please? And so on is Hoan. What did she say? And where was Hoan? Yes, he's in the bathroom. And number 3, the last question. Who cooks lunch for the family? And who helps father? Yes, father cooks lunch and Juan helps father. Good job. Now let's listen and repeat.
Listen and say.
Let's clean our room.
Okay.
Can you help me, please?
Sure.
I can help you too.
Thank you.
You're great. Where are you, Hoan? I'm in the bathroom.
Time for lunch. Juan, can you help me, please?
Sure.
Great! You are a good cook.
We are one good family.
Okay, one more time. But this time there's English titles, so you have to read or listen and repeat.
Let's clean our room.
Okay.
Can you help me, please?
Sure.
I can help you too.
Thank you.
You're great. Where are you, Hoan? I'm in the bathroom.
Time for lunch. Juan, can you help me, please?
Sure.
Great! You are a good cook.
We are one good family.
Good job. Let's move on to let's sing.
Let's sing.
First, let's listen.
Where are you, Dave? I'm in the bathroom. Can you help me, please? Sure, sure. Thank you. You're welcome. Where are you, Mina? I'm in the living room. Can you help me, please? Sure, sure. Thank you. You're welcome.
Did you enjoy the song? Now let's read the lyric in the song. Read together. You ready? Let's go. Where are you, Dave? I'm in the bathroom. Can you help me, please? Sure, sure. Thank you. Now, second part. Where are you, Mina? I'm in the living room. Can you help me, please? Sure, sure. Thank you. You're welcome. Alright, now let's try singing.
Where are you, Dave? I'm in the bathroom. Can you help me, please? Sure, sure. Thank you. You're welcome. Where are you, Mina? I'm in the living room. Can you help me, please? Sure, sure. Thank you. You're welcome.
Good job.
Think and talk.
Look at number 1 story. Where do you think she is? Yes, she's in the kitchen. Okay, let's see what's the story about.
Where are you, Bomi?
I'm in the kitchen.
Okay, now let's listen and repeat.
Where are you, Bomi?
I'm in the kitchen.
Alright, now let's move on to next story.
Think walk and talk.
Look at the picture. What do you think they are doing? Yes, they are cleaning the room. Let's see what's happening.
Where is Siyun?
He's in the bedroom.
Siyun, can you help me, please?
Sure.
Now, let's listen and repeat.
Where is Siyun?
He's in the bedroom.
Siyun, can you help me, please?
Sure.
Good job.
스스로 해요.
Let's play a game. Let's start with high level. First, listen carefully.
1,
Where are you?
I'm in the kitchen.
2,
Where are you?
I'm in the bathroom.
3,
Where are you?
I'm in the living room.
Okay, what is the correct dialogue matching to this picture? I'll choose number 2. Now, listen carefully.
1,
Where are you?
I'm in the bathroom.
2,
Where are you?
I'm in the living room.
3.
Can you help me, please?
Sure.
Okay, what is the correct dialogue matching to this picture? Where is she? Yes, she is in the living room. Next we have listen carefully.
1,
Can you help me, please? Sure.
2, where are you?
I'm in the bathroom.
3, where are you?
I'm in the living room.
Okay, what is the correct dialogue? Mother is asking for help. Can you help me, please? And the boy answered, sure. Now, let's try number 1. Good job. That is the lesson for today. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you next time. Have a nice day. Goodbye.